So guys, one more thing about this cake, it has a lot of glitter. This is all edible glitter that you find at the bakery supply store. Mentioning it because it's a disclaimer. This is not a normal glitter that you find at stationery shops. This is a proper edible glitter which you can find at RA for any bakery supply store. Ask them for edible glitter and then only use it on your cakes. Do not use a normal glitter that you get. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a beautiful tutorial of a doll cake, which is basically the pull me up version of a doll cake. The doll glitter cake that is trending on Instagram. I'll put down the inspiration that I got it from, like the account that I got the inspiration from, and I really loved it. Though it has a lot of glitter and I know like I wouldn't want to consume it, but I really wanted to do a tutorial. For example, like if you want to do it, if you want to make it for somebody, if you want to make it for your own child or for your own friends, go ahead and do it, and tag me on my Instagram if you want. Also, these recipes I will not be able to give out here because these are my class recipes. I'm just showing you a tutorial how it's done, what kind of sheet I'm using I'll tell you for this video, but what else you can use, like there are 2-3 varieties of sheets and varieties of flavors and stuff that we have discussed in my pull me up class. So if you want to join that, you can go ahead and DM us on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram here, and you can go and check it out. So yeah, I think we should just start with the tutorial now. So guys, I've taken 2 thick layers of 5-inch cakes and 1 of 4-inch. Let me just show it to you. This is what my 4-inch looks like. Okay, and I'm going to start ganaching the layer. I'm not layering this thick layer. If you want, you can do so. You can maybe take 3 or 4 layers, like thin layers of cake. I'm using ganache to layer the cakes, and you can use anything you want, buttercream or whatever you want, whipped cream, buttercream, whatever you're comfortable working with. We have to carve this cake, so we have to chill this down at least for say half an hour. So guys, I'm going to start carving my cake now. I want it to look like a gown. So let's see, just like I think you should just follow how I'm carving it, because explaining it won't really make any difference. Just see my work, how I'm doing it, and you'll understand. With a very gentle hand, you need to go at an angle. I think this is where I would like to stop. Just make sure it's a nice gown kind of shape. I want your cake to set properly, and then you go ahead with this carving step. Okay, now I have my whipped cream here, and I'm just going to go ahead and crumb coat it with that. Guys, one more thing, I have a nice class for whipped cream as well. Like my basic class has a lot of information about whipped cream, about ganache. If you want to go ahead and enroll for it, you'll really learn a lot of stuff. If you're a beginner and you don't have any idea about baking, go ahead and join that class. You'll really love it. I'm not forcing you, but if you want to learn something like me and something from me, then definitely go ahead and do that. And you'll definitely not regret it, because so many people have learned a lot of things in that class, and they are now working as a home baker and really earning well, and also like doing a lot of stuff from home. In that class, I'll be teaching you how to go to a right consistency for whipped cream, for ganache, everything basically, and a beautiful chocolate cake recipe, and yeah, like a nice vanilla sponge. So you learn a lot of stuff, a lot of tips and tricks. So guys, I've got this printout. It's a glossy paper printout. 4 inch का है and I've taken Cinderella. You can select whatever you want. So the Cinderella's hand is little bit. The picture that I selected is इसका हाथ यहाँ पे थोड़ा extra side में है holding the gown. So I'm going to put the topper a little bit on this side, okay, and just inserting it on the cake. And now what I'm going to do is, this is the acetate sheet we're using. What, how and everything, I have a class, I told you, or put me up class, you all can join that. इसमें मैं आपको सिर्फ वाइट चॉकलेट गनाश के बारे में बताऊंगी कि कैसे यूज़ करना है. ग्लिटर वाला जो न्यू निकला है वो ट्रेंड दिखा रही हूँ कैसे करते हो. बट जो नॉर्मल जो आपका चॉकलेटी केक होता है वो आपको अगर सीखना है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली DM us. दिस इज एन acetate sheet and you're going to insert this right here. तो मैंने पहले से ही उसको आपने देखा है अपने हिसाब से, मतलब मैंने मेजरिंग करके डायमेंशन बना के रखा था, ठीक है. ना मैंने एक और लेयर आइसिंग इसके लिए करी ताकि ये अच्छे से इसके अंदर घुस जाए एंड इट डजंट मेस अप, ओके. मतलब वो बाहर अटकना नहीं चाहिए, क्रीम के अंदर धंसना चाहिए. द प्लास्टिक आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, क्रीम के अंदर चिपक जाना चाहिए ताकि जब आप ऊपर से गनाश डालोगे तो इट शुडंट बी मेस्ड अप. बाहर से साइड से निकलना नहीं चाहिए. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेक श्योर that this is attached properly and there is no space for the ganache to come out from everywhere. And now what I'll do is I'll take a piping bag. I have taken 2:1 white chocolate ganache. You can you have to take 2:1 because you don't want it too thin, okay. And this is what my consistency looks like. It's still a pouring consistency, okay. I am going to go ahead and put it in my piping bag, hopefully without messing it up. I'm taking a scissor, cutting off the top of the tip of the piping bag, and make sure that you do not cover this, okay. Just cover the sides, like fill the sides. I'm kind of nervous about this. Hi guys. So I'll talk less today and quickly put the glitter on the side. They're doing a YouTube video. You're soon going to see a tutorial on this. Alright, Nikhil also take a reel. I'm going to pull this up now. Not on the live, we're going to go offline. Guys, stay tuned for this video. It's coming soon on YouTube and you'll see the tutorial without the recipes, of course, but this is what you're going to learn, how I did this whole process. And thank you for watching. How many people have come in?
44. 45.
Hi guys, hi everyone, hi. So I'm going now. I'm kind of nervous. I need to pick this up and shoot it over here. I myself very excited about it like a child, but this looks absolutely stunning. I'm going to tag the person who inspired me to do this. Oh my god, my heart is like palpitating right now and I'm just, oh my god, this looks wonderful, no? So guys, one more thing about this cake, it has a lot of glitter. This is all edible glitter that you find at the bakery supply store. Mentioning it because it's a disclaimer, this is not a normal glitter that you find at stationery shops. This is a proper edible glitter which you can find at RA for any bakery supply store. Ask them for edible glitter and then only use it on your cakes. Do not use a normal glitter that you get. This much glitter even I don't enjoy eating, but since the cake was really fascinating and I really wanted to try my hands on it and show you the tutorial as well, so I hope you'll enjoyed it. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you all like this video and I hope you all like this tutorial. I know it's a lot of glitter all around. It's a little messy, but I hope you all liked it. I hope you all enjoyed learning the way it is done, and I'll see you all soon. Thank you so much for watching. And I've been seeing 81% or around more than 80% people who haven't subscribed to our channel are watching the videos for free. This is not right. हमारे साथ धोखा हो रहा है. हम लोग literally इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और आप लोग ऐसे कर रहे हो. तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो एंड चीटिंग मत करो, एंड आई सी यू ऑल सून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.